Hey everyone, today I want to dive into a question that's on many of our minds. Can humanity really come together as one global family? In this interconnected world, unity is more important than ever. We're all part of a delicate web of relationships, and what happens in one corner of the globe can ripple out to affect us all. As we face common challenges like climate change, economic inequality, and social injustice, it's clear that we need to work together to create a better future for everyone. But let's be real. Cultural differences are a big obstacle to unity. They can lead to misunderstandings and mistrust. People from different backgrounds have unique values, customs, and ways of communicating that can create barriers to cooperation. And then there are political conflicts. Nations and ideologies clash over resources, power, and territory, often leading to violence, displacement, and human suffering. These conflicts make it even harder for us to come together. Economic disparities also play a huge role. They create unequal access to resources, opportunities, and basic human rights. People in wealthy countries often have more privileges than those in poorer countries, leading to resentment and frustration. Historical grievances and ongoing injustices only fuel these divisions. And let's not forget the rise of nationalism and xenophobia. Increased tensions and hostility towards those perceived as different or outside the dominant group can tear us apart. But here's the thing, the more we focus on our differences, the more divided we become. When we look beyond the surface, we find common ground. We all have the same basic needs, desires, and aspirations, regardless of our cultural background or nationality. By recognizing our shared humanity, we can start to build bridges and foster greater understanding and cooperation. Humanitarian efforts show us that global cooperation is possible, even in the face of great challenges. International collaborations like responses to natural disasters or pandemics demonstrate that we can put aside our differences and work together for the greater good. The Olympics and other international sporting events bring people together, celebrating our shared love of competition and athleticism. Take the European Union, for example. Countries set aside historical conflicts to work together for economic and political stability. International organizations like the United Nations promote peace, security, and human rights worldwide. These institutions show us that through cooperation and diplomacy, we can address common challenges and create a more just and peaceful world. Remember the global response to the COVID-19 pandemic? People from all over the world supported each other, shared knowledge, and developed vaccines. This effort saved countless lives and reminded us that we are all interconnected. And then there's Malala Yousafzai, the young Pakistani activist who fought for girls' education. Malala's courage sparked a global movement. Her story shows that one person can make a difference and inspire others to join in the pursuit of a common goal. As we look to the future, it's clear that unity is essential for creating a better world. Our individual struggles are connected, and by working together, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. In conclusion, unity isn't just an ideal, but a necessity for a better future. Join the conversation and share your thoughts on how we can come together as one global family. Don't forget to check out more videos on global unity and cooperation. Thanks for watching.